Camping is a lot more fun when you have the right gear by your side. In today's video, we're counting down 15 camping essentials that can make every outdoor adventure more comfortable, organized, and stress-free. Every single product featured in this video is linked in the description, so you can check them out anytime. Now, let's jump straight into the countdown. Nothing ruins a perfect campsite faster than mosquitoes. That's why this Thermacell E-ZoneGuard deserves the first spot on our list. It creates a powerful 20-foot protection zone without messy sprays, sticky lotions, smoke, or strong odors. With a rechargeable battery, fast charging dock, and long-lasting refills, it keeps your outdoor experience comfortable while you relax around the campfire. If you're planning to camp more often, this is definitely worth adding to your gear. You'll find its purchase link waiting in the description below. Would you trust this instead of traditional bug spray? Let's move to something your feet will thank you for. These ATHMILE water shoes are designed for campers who enjoy rivers, beaches, lakes, or rocky trails. The lightweight, quick-dry fabric, protective rubber sole, and comfortable fit help prevent slips while shielding your feet from sharp rocks and hot sand. They pack easily, dry fast, and work for multiple outdoor activities, making them an excellent travel companion. If they caught your attention, you'll find the direct product link down in the description. Where would you put these to the test first? Sleeping comfortably outdoors can completely change your camping experience. The VOSSER Queen Air mattress inflates in under 3 minutes thanks to its built-in electric pump, while the raised 18-inch design and supportive I-beam construction deliver bed-like comfort throughout the night. Its durable, puncture-resistant material and generous weight capacity make it perfect for camping, RV trips, or unexpected guests. If better sleep matters to you, this one is worth considering. The product page is conveniently listed in the description. Could this replace your current sleeping setup? Great meals in the outdoors start with the right cooking tools. This 16-piece Gaialoop camping cooking utensils set keeps everything neatly organized inside a compact carrying bag, giving you knives, tongs, spatulas, scissors, a cutting board, and much more in one portable kit. The stainless steel construction is built for outdoor cooking while helping you stay organized around the campsite. If you love cooking during your adventures, don't miss this one. Its shopping link is available below in the description. Which meal would you cook with this complete setup? Running out of charging options while camping can be frustrating, but this clever cable solves that problem. The Firsting 4-in-2 multi-charging cable supports multiple Apple devices and USB-C gadgets using one compact cable, reducing clutter inside your backpack. Its durable braided design, built-in safety protection, and travel-friendly size make it an ideal camping companion for modern travelers. If staying connected matters on every trip, this accessory is a smart investment. Be sure to check the link we've placed in the description. How many devices would this replace in your travel bag? Ready to take a break after a long hike? The Kootek camping hammock gives you the perfect place to relax wherever your adventure takes you. Made from durable parachute nylon with strong tree straps and heavy-duty carabiners, it sets up in minutes without complicated knots. It's lightweight, compact, and supports up to 400 pounds, making it a must-have for campers, hikers, and beach lovers alike. If you're thinking about upgrading your relaxation game, you'll find the product link waiting in the description. Can you picture yourself unwinding in this hammock? Keeping your devices powered in the wilderness is easier than ever with this Anker 25,000 mAh power bank. Its massive battery capacity and 165W output can charge laptops, smartphones, tablets, and other USB-C devices simultaneously. Built-in retractable cables eliminate cable clutter, while the smart display lets you monitor power levels in real time. For campers who rely on technology, this is an investment that delivers convenience and reliability. The direct link is included below if you'd like to learn more. Would this be the ultimate backup power source for your next trip? Privacy can be hard to find outdoors, but this Wakeman pop-up changing tent solves that problem in seconds. It instantly pops open to create a private changing room, shower tent, or portable restroom wherever you camp. The lightweight design folds into a compact carry bag, making transportation simple without taking up much space. It's a practical addition that adds comfort to any outdoor adventure. If this looks useful for your campsite, You'll find the buying link in the description. Could this become one of your camping essentials? Cooking outdoors becomes much more organized with the VEVOR camping kitchen station. This folding table features adjustable height settings, multiple storage compartments, a side shelf, cup holders, and even a windscreen to help you prepare meals more efficiently. It folds down quickly for transport while giving you a dedicated workspace at the campsite. If you enjoy cooking without the mess, this station is definitely worth considering. You can check it out through the link provided in the description. Is your current camp kitchen this organized? As the sun goes down, the right lighting transforms your campsite into a cozy retreat. These OGERY 4-in-1 camping string lights combine a lantern, flashlight, work light, and 32-foot string lights in one compact rechargeable unit. With multiple lighting modes, quick storage, and waterproof construction, they're perfect for camping, RV trips, backyard gatherings, and emergencies. If you want both function and atmosphere, this gadget deserves your attention. You'll find its Amazon link listed in the description below. Which lighting mode would you use the most? Hot weather can quickly drain the fun out of any camping trip, but this compact gadget keeps you cool while doing much more. The JISULIFE 3-in-1 mini fan works as a portable fan, flashlight, and emergency power bank all in one pocket-sized device. With up to 19 hours of cooling on a single charge, it's perfect for hiking, camping, festivals, and road trips. If you love gear that saves space without sacrificing functionality, this is a smart choice. You'll find the product link waiting in the description. Would this earn a permanent spot in your backpack? When your campsite needs serious illumination, this BougeRV telescoping camping light steps up in a big way. Producing up to 3,200 lumens and extending over 7 feet tall, it lights up a large camping area with ease. Multiple brightness levels, white, warm, and red light modes, plus an impressive rechargeable battery make it ideal for camping, emergencies, and outdoor adventures. If reliable lighting is high on your priority list, this one is worth every look. You can explore it through the link provided in the description. Could this become your go-to campsite lantern? A messy campsite slows everything down, and that's exactly why this tactical camp utensil organizer backpack stands out. Designed with multiple compartments, hanging straps, tool loops, and dedicated storage pockets, it keeps all your cooking essentials neatly organized and easy to access. Whether you're grilling, camping, or traveling in an RV, this bag helps you spend less time searching and more time enjoying your adventure. If organization matters to you, the product link is available below in the description. How would you organize your camp kitchen with this setup? If you're cooking for 2 outdoors, this all-in-one cookware kit makes life much easier. The THTYBROS 17-piece set includes pots, a kettle, frying pan, stainless steel plates, cups, utensils, and cleaning accessories that all nest together into one compact carrying bag. Its lightweight aluminum construction heats quickly while saving valuable backpack space. It's a fantastic choice for campers who want convenience without carrying bulky cookware. Check the description to find the direct link for this complete cooking kit. Would this replace your current camping cookware? We'll wrap up the list with a small gadget that can save you plenty of time and effort. The FLEXTAILGEAR portable air pump weighs less than 3 ounces yet quickly inflates and deflates air mattresses, sleeping pads, pool floats, and vacuum storage bags. Rechargeable, pocket-sized, and equipped with multiple nozzles, it's an incredibly useful companion for every camping trip. If you prefer packing light while staying prepared, this is one accessory you'll appreciate. Its purchase link is waiting for you in the description. Is this the compact camping gadget you've been missing? Those were 15 camping essentials that can make your next outdoor adventure more comfortable, organized, and enjoyable. If any of these products caught your attention, remember that every single item featured in this video is linked in the description for easy access. If you enjoyed this countdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next collection of must-have gadgets. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.